The town of Rolesville has a lot of great community areas to offer. Millbridge Nature Park, Main Street Park, Rolesville Community Park, and Rolesville Community Center. Millbridge Nature Park is the newest facility in the town's park system. It's located off of Rogers Road on Winslet Drive, adjacent to Heritage. The park is developed both in Rolesville and Wake Forest. The park contains paved walking trails and a scenic boardwalk through the wetland areas. The trail will ultimately connect to Main Street Park, completing a greenway system from downtown Rolesville all the way to the Neuse River via adjacent municipal greenways. The park also contains a spacious 200-seat outdoor amphitheater, complete with a stage and adequate power supply for outdoor concerts and educational shows. The amphitheater can be reserved by contacting the Rolesville Parks and Recreation Department or by visiting the town's website for more information. The town has future plans of expanding the parking area and incorporating more programs into the amphitheater. This is Millbridge Nature Park, located off of Rogers Road at 4600 Winslet Drive.